Okay, so now the stream has started again. Has it started? I hope it has started. Because then we can just, I'll just click on pop out, then I can see it properly. Oh, I can also see participants. Okay, that's excellent. Okay, pop out chat. Okay, I'm starting the stream again. Apologies. Starting the stream. Starting the stream again, guys. I have some outages. Now I'm back. Now I'm back. Looking forward to joining. This is vibe coding stream. Okay, so now because it has started, so now I'm not going to click on end stream. We're just going to do all our tasks and then it's easier. Okay, so these are all the tasks that I want to do. Where are my tasks? Objectives, where are the tasks? Okay, can you in progress, you can change it. Do by admin. Okay. Okay, so I told it to do these changes. I put some music. We wanna hear some jazz now. We don't wanna hear jazz. Jazz and blues now. Techno. Is there something techno? Let's just start. Oh, I hate it. I think we're gonna go for jazz. I want some calm jazz music. Do tell me what you guys think about this music. Not for calm jazz. This is too loud. I don't know how loud it's coming for you. But I'm just putting it a bit slow there, and then I'm going to the stream and just reducing the size. Let's see. Sorry, apologies to all these guys who were part of the stream when the stream ended, but yeah, I could not control it unfortunately. Okay, okay, perfect. But now we're gonna keep on working further. The goal is for this to be a vibe coding stream. This is not an entertainment stream. One thing I wanna see all my tools. Okay, now I got the feedback that it's much better, so this is good. Now first let me just try to see. Approach to production. And I want this to be accessible to everybody. All people who are going to join my stream and who are vibe coding, we create a list of all of them and we help each other out to build huge businesses. So this is going to be a place where all the vibe coders, they come together and they help each other build businesses. But obviously in this championship thing, we need to have a panel where we can see this championship and see all the products and we support each other. Let me go to my stream and let me actually put it. So I'm just gonna, where can I share it? I'll just take this link, I'll put it on X. Back again, guys. Okay, this is amazing. I'm also gonna send it. I think I need to have, I need to edit this a bit. What is this? Create. Because if we go here, this is, let's look at the stream. I didn't even set up the name of the stream, so that's super strange. Oh, it's the same. What? How did this get to this? Okay, it's taking day 3. Okay, let me change the name of it because I'll 3A. Day 3A. Okay, now I'm on my 4th coffee of the day. But it's okay. Can I make it smaller? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is what I wanted. I become a Canva expert. The more you become a startup founder, the more you become a Canva expert. It's like half the time you're programming and the other half you just... Actually, it has to be a bit prettier. I don't like it. So look at this, but Canva makes it so easy. You know, with drums, I want a product which is as easy as Canva. Canva just knows how to do it. It's so simple. And it's also $5, so it's like... Okay, we're also building this championship. Let's go in there. We're going to push to production. So all the vibe coders who are going to come in, we're going to have a section here, which is going to be championship section. And we're going to have a list of all of their startups. And then how do we help each other out? Because this has to become like a place for all the vibe coders. That's the plan with this. And we are also going to change the design of it a lot. But let's see, I'm going to add this task, but at least let's see how it goes. So today we end the stream once we are done with a big part of all of this work. Okay, so this I've downloaded. Now I'm gonna go here and I'm just gonna change it because right now it's confusing for everybody. So I'm just gonna put 3B because today is the second time we are launching it and it's gonna happen so often. I already see. Till 1 million. Actually, why should I not mention vibe selling, vibe coding, vibe marketing? 1 million. Stream 3B. Why? $1 million. I think this is really good. I think the promise has to be so big, to $1 million, so that people understand. Do I need to write stream this? Do I need to write stream? Actually, I should just write day 3. Day 3. I think that's much better. Day3b. Yeah, I think that makes much more sense. Tell me in comments if you think. Day3b. So this is Day3b. This is just a heading. Vibe selling, vibe selling, vibe coding, vibe to $1 million. Yeah, to 1 million. I think this is much better. It's too big. I just have to look at Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast always used to have 1 million and stuff. Let me just take a look exactly what his thumbnails are. Okay, his thumbnails are for $1 million. So he puts for $1 million. See, he always puts for $1 million, and he never puts text. So if he's doing $1 million for $25,000, he writes it like this for $1 million. Okay, so I also have to do the same. We have to follow the best. He's never writing million, million. So we're gonna do the same. To $1 million. And how does he put it? Let me see. He puts always the dollar first. So we're gonna do exactly the same. So actually here in this community, we are all about finding the best and just copying it. That's all we want. I think my font is not as good, but let it to $1 million. I think this goes like this. I think this has to be a bit like this. Vibe selling, vibe coding to $1 million. Okay, I think this promise is big enough. You need to actually, why can't I just do it like this? Because I want this thing as big as possible. So let's see. Let's go here because this has to be big. 2. Yeah, now we like it. I'm just gonna change it like this so that this is up to $1 million. So this is up to $1 million. Okay, let's see what the bridge mind guy has written to $1 million. Okay, Day3 wipe. I think this is good. Tell me in comment chat if you think this is good. Oh yeah, I could ask Nano Banana. That's actually true. But does Nano Banana know how good is it gonna be? Okay, let's see. Let's follow the suggestion. Okay, I'm gonna go to Kia because Kia is really good. If you go here, AI Image API, Nano Banana Pro. Let's see if Nano Banana actually edits it. So when you go here, select a file. So I could just go here. Actually, we could do it with Nano Banana, but yeah, I think for the next one I could just do it. But right now I keep this one. I just keep it so that we could just get more vibe coding done. But it's excellent suggestion actually. Can you make this better and better and highly converting string, highly converting link, on which people click. Is it gonna do? Let's see. 1K. Oh, I messed up. 1619. That's the thing. Always the aspect ratio thing is always a problem. Yeah, but let's see. Oh yeah, we're gonna see what it is right now. Let me just update it fast so that we just move on. Okay, so I'm just gonna update it and I'm gonna change it. Day3. Actually, nobody knows what 3B is. To $1 million. Okay, that's excellent. Yeah, the promise has to be big enough. I think this is a big enough promise. Until I make $1 million. Yeah, this is it. Okay, is it saved now? I think it's saved. When we go back, this is not big enough. That's the only problem. Yeah, there's a lot of text and it's not big enough. Maybe at the top it should be Day3 million. Okay, but it's okay. Let's just continue because we've got a lot of other things to do. Okay, Woohoo timer. Let's see. Let's see what's happening to this timer. When we go here, how does it look right now? We also okay. This is it. This is it. What the stream is doing. Live working session. Product is motion. Products in motion. These are the products. April targets. Make these titles 3x bigger. 3x bigger than what they are. I just want them to be easy because even I can't read them. Like, can't they make it 3 times bigger so that it's product and motions day 3? So this is day 3, April targets. We've already got an primary divider for primary drivers. And where are the objectives? Okay, can I edit them? No, I can't edit them. Okay, we're just gonna say that the primary directors are. Let me put some music on. Okay, I'll take anything. Oh. What do you say? Do you like it? I like the two, the bench. I think this looks so salesy. Maybe this is better to click, but it looks really salesy. I have to be honest. Yeah. Vibe selling coding secrets to really click to unlock. Okay, this is proper salesy. But right now but it's good, it's good. It was a good suggestion. Maybe we're gonna make something, but right now let me get back into this. Push to production. We're gonna do it. So now we're gonna go here. It is going to be, yeah, and now okay, I need to also write my lawyer. Okay, I know what I have to do. There are some tasks which I have to finalize. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I just want this icon for this. This is highest priority actually. Create a new Gemini documentation. Documentation. Yeah, this is it. Priority. I can't create a task. Okay. Where's the? Can you also sort the tasks based on priority? Very important. High priority at the top. So we're gonna put the highest priority tasks at the top here. Because I want all current execution queue. This is really important. And products in motion. Please also add Voho.ai there. But do I want that thing? Let's say. But really at the bottom of it. Because yeah, I think we're gonna I think we just avoid it. Because I just don't want to dilute everything. Yeah, I also need YouTube link. Why is the music? Can I not get this music to just be on all the time? Thank you. Let me also add my YouTube subscribe button. YouTube sub. Let me see, we are also running ads. Let me see what's happening with those ads. This is important. I want to make sure we have all 7 ads running right now. I want 7 ads. Okay, we've got 6 ads as well. Look at this. And we're going to see the performance of all of them. Until you authenticate, okay, I'll authenticate my account. Oh, this is if you didn't start authentication. Send an email. Okay, it's us. So yeah, they said that someone else was trying to access it. Okay, we have to verify. I do not know if it's a good idea if I'm showing this, so I'm just gonna move it a bit up. And I'm just gonna add this code. We don't want to get hacked. Okay, so these are the ads which are running right now for my community. I think now this is gonna work properly. And we're gonna see, I'm just gonna increase the budget and see actually, because now we've got 6 different ads. I'm gonna add another, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 3 ad fours. Okay, this is wrong. Because this, okay, this is also, I've got ad 4, ad 5. And what is ad? She's not real, okay, she's not real. And then, okay, so I'm just gonna delete this one. I'm gonna delete this one because it seems like this is, we've got ad 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're running 5 ads and we're just doing it on €5, which is really less. I have to increase it, but Meta says I shouldn't increase my budget. Should I increase my budget? Increase my budget for ads. Oh man. Okay, nobody should know about this. Okay, so we are running all of these ads. We're gonna see how all of these work. Then also today we wanna run 7 ads. That's really important. Oh. So we are building also a Zamina application, and right now I'm just trying to see how that application goes. This is an agency product that we're building, which is not part of anything here, but there's still a lot of work. Okay, so does this look good, guys? Tell me in chat if you think this whole thing looks good. What the stream is doing, live work session, products in motion. Okay, live work session. Primary drivers. April targets. Okay, that's excellent. Day 3, learn streaming, set up launch rounds and messages. Okay, I have launch rounds, submit documents for customer, and sort out tags. These are the 4 biggest objectives. And right now, these are the tasks and Gemini documents and launch rounds. Okay, can I just make it? Why is it multiple times? Okay, if I click on it, launch rounds. This is it. Okay, can I delete it? Okay, I'm just deleting this task. Revenue model for me is actually subscription. So subscription revenue, and right now if you look at it, trigrams, if I go here and we look at pricing, I don't think if you've got pricing here, but it's gonna be monthly $19, $49, and $199. So that's how we're going about doing this. That's the goal with it. And the thing is, products have become really easy to build. So we're gonna. Yes. Yes, affiliates could be so good, man. Where's not do we have it? Is there a good software to do affiliates? Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back in 1 minute because I just have to grab water fast, and I'm gonna see you back in 1 minute. Yeah, is there something good for affiliates? That would be actually super good to know. Actually, now let me see my fitness. Super fast. Okay, I'm back now. Let's see how the whole product looks like. Okay, so we've got everything here. Okay, I need to create some documentation. Let me just finish all the high priority tasks. Goodbye. This should be called. These should be called like this. What the stream is doing. Yeah, it's like this is good. Q health. Why is it always calling it Q health? Task status. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. We go back to music. Yeah, now the terms is gonna become so good. How is my GitHub looking like? I discovered vibe coding. Yeah, they destroyed my database. Maybe it's just running it. Let's see. Okay, the data is coming. It will target tasks. Yeah, this is wrong. I forgot what my TikTok is. Okay, we are changing the TikTok display also because this is what we want. This is then gonna go to the proper link that I've got. And these are the social media links where you can always contact me. I think I'll maybe even set up an email. If somebody wants to write me something, they can just write me as an email or they can even. And GPT 5.4 is amazing. And they give you so many, they always reset the limits. So it's also not that expensive. Today they reset the limits, so now I don't have to pay extra. And I'm actually doing it like this. I'm running multiple ChatGPT subscriptions, and then I'm using GPT 5.4 to run all my code. So I always go here 5.4. It's working really good. And look at this. This whole thing is built using GPT 5.4, and it works really good because I've also confused it like crazy, but it works really good. By the way, I'm also setting up this championship. Compare visit. Okay, there is no championship right now. Where's the championship thing? We're just adding it. We're just gonna add it. Yeah. So this dashboard you have to improve further. Okay. So send new Gemini documentation. This is it. Can I delete the task? If I click here, I can delete it. Okay. So I'm gonna delete this task permanently. This I also gonna delete permanently. Just this also. Some of these tasks are just get duplicated. I just don't understand. I've been deleting these tasks for such a long time. Let me tell you. Now all the tasks are gone. I don't understand. How can this be one active task? If I go here, how many tasks do I have here? 2. Okay. So it deleted all my tasks. So confusing. So it's better than Sonnet. I tried Sonnet and for me Word was better. See, I write please to AI all the time because I know they're gonna one day come for us. You just have to be nice to AI. Okay, so I'm not sure. So this is it. Let me tell you. The task deletion thing is not good. I think when I delete a task, multiple tasks get deleted, or sometimes tasks just keep on getting duplicated. I think you have to scan the whole code base and see where exactly you have got something jumbled up, such that tasks automatically start getting created. And tasks, when I delete them, either they're not properly deleted, or sometimes when I delete multiple tasks are deleted. Please go through the whole code and make sure that it's working perfectly. And also on Twitter, I'm seeing everybody's loving GPT 5.4. Claude is just reaching the limits really fast. And at the end of the day, I was even checking these guys' open code. They've got this open code. If you use open code, you can also use all the open source models. You can use Kimi, the Chinese models, which is really good. And they also give you, I think, free Kimi. But here, I was also checking the CEO of open code, and he was showing that their team is using GPT 5.4 the most. So I saw that on Twitter. They were using much more than Cloud Code, and these guys are actually building this whole platform using GPT, using vibe coding. So that's what I was thinking. I was thinking if they're vibe coding all of this, anyways, so you know, so they must know it because they're experts in this. And I've had only good experience, so I have no reason to change right now. Okay, send me Gemini fix lawyer issue. Okay, so that's status to do project. Why can't I create a task? What? What? Task pop up. But it was not letting me create the task. Then when I tried to change from the drop down, actually, then it started. It just created the task. It's kind of messing up. Please check it in detail. So look at ZLM5. I've never checked it, whatever it is. Let me see what ZLM is. Is it also open source? You mean GLM? Is that GLM? That's what you mean? GLM Foundation models. Ah, okay, by Z.ai, because I know this company, they also build some foundation models. But are they creating a 1 second? Z.ai, Z.ai. GLM, is that a Chinese company? Okay. GLM, who built this GLM? Yeah, GLM is a Chinese company. Yeah. Yeah, GLM is really good. What was that? Quen is the Alibaba one. Are my ads running clear? Okay, now we're gonna push to production. Let me see on my tasks. I just don't know what to do. Yeah, the Chinese models are getting really good. I'm happy because they're open source and they just make life easy for us compared to all the American models. I'm also seeing all the big companies are using Kimi and these other open source models, and they're training their own models rather than using OpenAI models or even models from Claude. So they're doing it like this. We are also gonna get it like this. Okay, I'm actually happy with what has happened so far. Okay, we got what we wanted from Mr. Beast. We also, Kia is actually a really good website if you want to use all of these things. If you wanna, yeah, let me just get back into this. Yeah, this music is good, live streaming is currently going perfectly, but as good as we could have it. Okay, let me just look at my ads. I do not know if you guys remember, we were running some ads. Okay, so can you find from public records what was the construction price of building this? You know the size in the square meter. So please tell me. Okay, so I'm just trying to evaluate how a property is evaluated. I need it for tax purposes. So I have to inform and I have to figure out how to value a property. So when you have a property and you wanna differentiate what's the difference between land value and the build value, you need to figure out how to come up with land value because sometimes it's super hard. Because when you think about it, if you see a property, if there's an apartment in a 5-floor building, how do you exactly figure out what was the land value? Because not every country gives it. So that's what we have to figure out and we have to present it and get a tax advisor to just do it. Okay. I wanted to go to let me see if this is already pushed to production. Let's see if this did it. I want to be able to create all of these tasks and sort it out. Oh, I love this music. This is really good. Can you write a reply saying that I'm trying to figure out the construction value of this apartment when it was constructed in 2010 so that we can figure out from construction value how much was the build value? That is going to be really important since we know that it was purchased for 450K AED. Right now, the biggest issue is that the valuers in Dubai they cannot give a value on any land because these lands do not have a value and it's very hard to get it in Dubai. Only if because my apartment is in 204 apartment building, usually it's impossible to find the land value. The only way to find land value is through court case, and this only happens in extremely urgent cases where the whole building has to be decimated or completely put down. Then only the value of the land for each user or person is found. So that is a concern. Can you please write a reply to my story Begata like this? And also tell him on 10th of April, Finance Hub has asked me to submit. Uh, I'm trying to collect all of this information, and once I collect it, I'd love to submit this information to them using your services. Would you be able to help me out here? And we can also set up, and I can, yeah. First, write the reply, give me in English, and then later I'll tell you to convert it into German, but first give me in English. Okay, let's go. I'm getting pumped. So the championship is also going to come here. I'm also sorting out a legal case on the side where, for tax purposes, I have to evaluate what is the value of an apartment, how much is the land value, how much is the build value, because that's how you evaluate what is the valuation and depreciation of a property that you might own. So yeah, at the end of the day, everybody should understand tax law really properly because everybody who is an entrepreneur has to deal with any of these things. So you need to understand it properly so that you can save on taxes and also so that you can do them properly because it's really important to do your taxes properly. Otherwise, it's a big problem. This is one of those issues when you're an entrepreneur. You need to sort out everything yourself. Yeah, I am here, Malik. Yeah, I like it. I am here, Malik. So I'm doing all of this. I also did my taxes with Claude. It's really important because I realized that usually taxes are super expensive, and now you can do it because you can just give AI all the context and then you collect all of this information. And once you have this information, then just submit your taxes. And you would 100% do it better than any tax advisor who's out there because they won't be able to spend as much time as you can trying to figure out the taxes. And you're also gonna, if you have an audit, tax audit happens, you know exactly where the numbers are coming from because you understand it, you understand your financials. And that's why I love doing my taxes myself, even my company taxes, all of the official work, I love doing it myself, and I'd recommend it also uh, to people, to founders, to do it themselves rather than outsourcing it because you need to understand finances properly and you can't do it if you outsource. Even if there's an audit, you know where the numbers are coming from, so you can always justify. But obviously, you also need a tax advisor who could just look into things after you've done it. Yeah, Shyam. Nice to have you. Are you also white coding? Yeah, I want to share the championship actually because anybody who's white coding who wants to join in, we can just add their application inside the championship and then we can always take a look on how it's working. And then we can help each other out because at the end of the day, people are just going to go and do all of these things in detail. So that's the goal. Yeah, any person who joins this stream, I hope they're vibe coding, and then we can add their application, and then we can always ask them about their status. Okay. Admin tasks, taxes, streaming. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to do a bit of admin work right now because that's really, it cooks you if you don't do it. And that's one of the biggest parts of being a startup founder. Just trying to do a lot of admin work. I wish it was only product and sales. That would be much more fun. It's also about running ads. Let me look at some of the ads that we're running. So we're running these ads. We've got 5 ads. All of these ads go to my school community, which is about AI images, AI videos. If you want to learn everything about AI videos, AI images, check out my school community. We are building it out right now. This is my community, as you can see, and give me feedback on how it is. Let me also get my team. 0 community. Okay. And it's excellent. There's a lot of energy. There's a lot of things going on. We've got a lot of courses here, as you can see. Right now, they're all loading. So we've got a whole section, begin here, AI images, AI videos, because we create a lot of content ourselves. And we do it a lot using AI, and AI just makes it 100x easier. So we've brought all the tools together so that you can make the best content in human history. Actually, my goal is also to run ads to bring people to my stream, because we want all the vibe coders actually in this stream, and we want to see what they're building, and then we just add it there. Okay, so this is the community. But yeah, right now let me just go and check out what's happening with. So we've got 5 different ads here. Should I change the budget? 5 ads here. Should I increase the budget? Budget. So now my ads are running since 2 days. I wanted to increase the budget. Right now we just have €5 budget for this campaign. If I go here to my campaign, what's the budget for? I'm going to change it, but your maximum daily spend is, and your maximum weekly budget is this. So I want to change it, but I don't know if they allow me to do it. So I've never ran ads before. So all of you guys who are watching, because you need customers. Finding customers, you can get them either organically. That's one of the ways. Second is through ads. Organic is usually takes much longer. Ads, Meta can target really properly. I'd recommend that everybody learns how to run ads, and I'm running these ads right now, but it's like it's Meta is running the ads. I'm not even running the ads. All of these ads are being run by Meta, and they know who to target, who to focus on. So I'm just asking it some questions, let's say, and tell me which ads to run. So it's going to tell us which ads to properly run. So that's going to be super interesting if you figure out which ads to run. Yeah. Okay. It's going to be proper. Okay, I also have to eat food. I have to eat food, but I just need 5 minutes to eat food. That's enough. That's all the time I need. My plan is to do 12-hour streams. I'm telling you guys, we're going to be vibe coding. We're going to bring everybody here. 12-hour streams. Anybody who wants to do vibe coding, they come here, and everybody who joins in, let's take you all to $1 million. That's the goal. We want all the vibe coders to come in and become millionaires. I'm doing it for myself. That's the aim of this stream. By every day, just come here, help all the vibe coders to actually stream, get there, and yeah, not stream, sorry, get all the vibe coders to find their first 1,000 customers, because that's all you need. Okay, look at this. This Meta AI is taking forever. I don't know why it takes so long. It already has all the context. You know everything. You have all the data. Is there? Okay, we're just gonna wait and see, because we don't have time, but it's okay. Okay, so we have got this. Let's see where we are here. So you're out of codex messages. Your rate limit is going to. Okay, so when you're out of codex messages, what do you do? I always do this. I'm gonna say push to production. I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna go to another account. That's what I do. So I'm gonna continue with ChatGPT. I'm gonna use another account of mine, which is this, because there's no other way. Yeah. ChatGPT, yeah. ChatGPT team. For my software, no, I do not have any free plan right now. It's very hard to, we can't do free because there's so much compute cost. Try another method. Okay, I'm gonna get an email here properly. Okay, we're just gonna do it with email. So I'm just gonna get a code, and we're gonna use that to log in. So that's what I do. I'm always jumping between many different codecs, because somehow I have a feeling, I might be wrong, that if I keep on adding credits, it takes forever for credits. The credits run out really fast. If I've got 5 Codex accounts, then you could. Oh fuck! I have to file my taxes. You're required by whether you had income. If you formed in 20, your first tax filing is due this year. What file for the issue? Okay. 25,000. Okay, amazing. That's what I want to hear. Scheiße. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to Codex and we're gonna just sign in. Bro, how do I sign in? You verify. Okay, I'm just adding this here. I have no idea how much does a free account give. If I'm being honest, honestly, I was running on a free plan and it gave me I could use credits for 4 hours and then I keep on changing accounts. But right now I'm on a paid plan, which is Team Voho, and now every time I just keep on adding, keep on changing the different accounts of Codex, and that's working much better for me. I don't run out. Otherwise, I keep on running out of credits really fast. If I add, I tried it with. I tried this with. So we've got Codex. I tried it with Claude. Every time I keep on adding money, they just give me five more prompts. I run 5 more prompts, and it's done. It's properly done, which I do not like. So now I keep on changing between different accounts. So I'd much rather have 5 Codex accounts where I keep on changing between them rather than having one account where I add $100. I think that doesn't last that long. But if you have 5 accounts and you keep on switching between them, then it lasts, I think, 5 times more. That's why I think maybe it's a myth, but that's my experience. See, look at this. Now I'm here. Now we're going to see. And the thing is, they keep on resetting your limits. So the good thing is, if you have 5 accounts, you could just keep on. Sometimes they reset the limit. Sometimes they allow you more on weekends. So you have 5 accounts and you get more access. Oh, okay. Anti-gravity, yeah. Oh, that shit. Why does Google not give more credits? They are the ones who have their own TPUs. They have something similar to GPUs, which are TPUs. They're one of the few software companies out there who have their own hardware. Why are they not giving and going out there and winning the market? I do not understand. They should go and own this market and they should give us a lot of access. Okay, so now we're gonna go back here. So we've got vibe coding, we've got everything. Okay, now I'm just gonna check how it looks like. We've got tasks, we've got to-dos. Okay, this lawyer issue I'm trying to fix and I have to submit this. This is high priority. Okay, what was so yeah, let me just send an email to my lawyer. This email is also written by ChatGPT, if I'm being honest. Can you tell the problem in first prompt? So this is it. We have to evaluate, and I'm writing it in German. I write it all in English. Can you tell me? And then it's so much easier because then I don't have to write this German. Can you tell me which about the problem which you have in paragraph 2 as the start, and then mention that I'll get the construction amount. That's much better. That's much better. Okay. Also make email shorter. Reply in German. So that's the thing. So now, even though I can write German, but I can write English so much faster, and German also has a lot of special characters, but I just get AI to just write everything, and it's so fast. I say everything in English, and then it replies back. Ach, don't say it. Die Unterlagen bis zum. Okay, I am writing this. This guy's not gonna be happy, I think, but thank him for his response. Thank him for his response first. Yeah, that's how trouble is good. But yeah, organic organic marketing can be solved by making reels, TikTok. I think reels, TikToks, and building in public can help a lot. I'm going the paid route, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'm going the paid route. I'm running these ads. We will recommend maintaining. Why does it tell me to just have $5 budget? Why maintain the current budget? I'm not getting it. I want to increase the budget, but AI from Meta tells me to keep the same budget. I would much rather have 30 euros right now, daily budget, so that I can see if it's working or not. Well, adding me. Oh, bro. Okay, I don't care. I'm just running it. I don't care. I'm just increasing my budget here. We don't like it. I think they're now happy. It's okay. We're gonna just do £20. I'm sorry, but we're just doing it because I don't trust them. Okay, so it's gonna be. I wanna see if. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna go 18. Let's go. They've recommended me not to do it. Your maximum daily spend is you'll spend an effort, but your maximum is this. Okay, this is gonna be. I wanna just see. How are we gonna do it? Okay, publish. F it. I'm just publishing it. I'm just publishing it. It's not the best thing ever. They've told me. Yeah, I updated it to 18 euros daily. Sorry, I have no patience to wait forever. Okay, we're gonna see. I need to run this properly and see. So if I've got $20, 24, 600, 600. So let's see how we can convert. Your cost was maybe higher. I just wanna see, man. I just wanna see it. Okay, so now we've got five. I'm gonna add two more creators and we're gonna see. This is yeah, there is. I do not have an email list, but it's easy to get all the emails. I know a guy who just gets all the emails from Apollo, and then you can just start targeting all of them. And this is MailScale. I know MailScale.ai. You can just create a lot of mailboxes here. They have excellent infrastructure, and one could use this to deliver a lot of emails. I used to send a lot of emails, but then I stopped. But I still have MailScale subscription, so maybe I'm gonna start sending a lot of emails for this product drums. Let's see. Let's see. Who's your target audience? Then you target. Oh, time and journey. Oh, okay. These are the two things. Yeah, those uni students from EU, from there, these are very easy to target. They are very easy to target. Also copy the playbook of Jenny. Yeah, this Jenny AI, they are the best at targeting these exact people. Yeah, check it. Check this out, Jenny Group. Check this out. These guys are excellent, and they're very good at this. Yeah, look at this. This guy's making 1 million MRR. He targets exactly the customer profile that you want to target. And just look at their videos. Just search for Jenny on TikTok. You're going to find all of their organic content. They're very good with organic content. I think that's what you have to do. Just won't let me find chats. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay, I'm getting a call. Okay, I need to jump into a call. That's a problem. Okay, I need a 10-minute break, guys, because I need to jump into a call. Really urgent call. But I'll stay here. Back in 10 minutes. You could just see me. But yeah, I need to be in this call fast. But I'll stay here.
I'm good. I'm in the office currently. How are you doing? Nice. Nice. Yeah, but we can also touch base later if you don't have time. Hmm. Yes, yes. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. From 13th till 1st of May, including. So 1st of May, I have my flight, and then I will leave. Yes, yes. I live in Berlin. Yes, I live in Berlin, but I will be traveling home. So basically, I have a short vacation. Not vacation, actually. I'm working remote, but I spend some time at home and then back to Berlin later. Mm. Nice. Yes. And gray. Nice. Hmm. enough. I mean, the flat is close to Mauer Park, which is great because I work Torstrasse, Brunnenstrasse, and it's quite close. It's also amazing. And then yeah, pictures are enough. It's quite big. I mean, I will be alone, but it's quite big, but it's fine. I will be using room and usually I'm in the office entire day, so I go 9 a.m. and probably come back 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Mm. Yes, not good, probably, but I don't know. Yes, yes. And then I don't have any questions around the flat. Like, if we will have peak and dollar, $10, then I can give you either cash for flat or by PayPal. And I mean, no major questions on my side. Hmm. 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 Yes, the city Potsdam. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, I know it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, nice. And that's it. And then the payment will tell me how much should I pay like for the period, and that's it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice. Oh. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. I mean, for hours, yeah, it's quite long one. Cool. See you. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
I do not know how this stream OBS Studio works, but yeah. Wow, this is amazing. So I could just be streaming and I can also get everything sorted out. So then I never have to leave my stream. Even if I have to jump into customer calls, I could just put it on mute and they just keep on working. So it's going to be 24/7, all of it. And also, I could just put perfume. I love putting perfume. It has like such a fresh smell, this one. I don't know. This is some perfume from Dubai, but it's such a sweet smell. It just feels so good. Okay, are we getting back? Okay, so now we have got this, we've got all of this. I need to write my lawyer first, and then we are back in it, guys. I think as time goes, I'm just going to become more natural about all of this. Regarding this, collecting information, I've contacted already. There is a high chance to get this, Such update this. Okay, this is they're just gonna update this, and now we're gonna have this email, and I'm just gonna go there. Actually, did I? Is the championship being banned? Builders help build. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is it. Builders change name of builders help builders to championship. Championship, and as the title, add vibe coding championship. And yeah, that's excellent because we're going to bring all the people who've been building. We're just going to look at this championship for startups. I think I'm also gonna, yeah, we're gonna have all of these startups. We can add the MRR. We can just help each other, help needed feedback, early users, and growth support. Rivaj B, I got you also here, just so that you know. Your startup is here. So everybody who white codes, we're just gonna add their startup here. What is the current step? Where do they need help? Because the best thing would be that if we build a whole championship about, if we build a whole product about helping every vibe coder solve their problem. And I'm also gonna add mine. So mine is gonna be also in there, but we need to add AVC. That's something that I have to see. I do not have to give context again, because at the end of the day when I open it, it just works. It has the whole GitHub what's the GitHub tree. I think that's what it is called. It just understands it easily. It's super easy for it. Right now, I changed it. I do not switch, even if you switch IDE, it's not a problem. They already have the context of the whole project. When you run a prompt, it just saves everything in its memory. These guys have gotten really good at saving everything in the memory. Push to production. I even change accounts, I do everything. Yeah, so now now your progress is here, so you have to come often to this stream, and then one day we also do a live stream where you join in and show your progress. I think that's going to be good. I think the best would be if we get thousands of people who are all building their startups, and then they come, and every time there's an update, they come and present it in this stream, because we're going to keep the stream open. And this becomes the main platform for all the vibe coders. Any vibe coder can come in and they can just discuss about their startup. And that's going to be good, and we're going to help each other. And we could just say that this is a championship. But it's all going to be 2 builders, yeah, 4 startups, link side, helpers, request. Okay, and then where do they need help? And people can update it themselves. But yeah, I'm just going to build this into a separate URL, then it becomes even easier for everyone. Okay, so this is going to be push production. Okay, it's we can change it. We can change it. Right now we keep it manual and add the verified tag. Yes, do something like trust MRR in future, but right now, too early for us. Too early for us. But we could do something. What is? Let me check how trust, because I know these guys have something. Let's see what it is. Okay, what is this? What is this? They have like 1,000 links here. Why do they have so many links? You links explode. Okay, what? And they keep changing it. What is this? Okay, this is how it looks like. Verified chain. Viper. What? Is it all verified? Oh, trust is also set up to save. Oh, wow. What's the price? Oh, you can even see which one is being sold. Steel.co. Oh, for sale. Oh, wow. These guys, 2 startups. Okay, these guys have everything verified. What is this one? Oh, he's got 2 startups. Okay, this is really good. This is really good. I like it. I like it. I think a layer like this for vibe coding, a database of verified startup domains. Yeah, we could just make something like this. Vibe coding championship or something, but I don't like the design. But it's still really good. SEO board. Asking for us there. And what is this? 147 chat with revenues. Yes, yes, definitely. Okay, let me type. But this trust MRR thing is really good. I like it. Okay, let me grab water first. I'm back in 2 minutes. And then we build this out like this. I think that's a good idea. We're just gonna build it vibe coding championship. Anybody who's vibe coder, they can just join my stream, and we could just bring all the people over here, and they could discuss about their startup, and then also they can exit their startup, everything. I think we could just do it. But yeah, let me come back in 2 minutes. Actually, yeah. Or maybe let me write my lawyer first. Because okay, let me just come back in 2 minutes, grab some water. Yeah, I got some great ideas now. This is great. Okay, let me just write email to my. Let me just write email. Let's see what it is. Okay, can you? Is it called no championship? Okay, I'll just add it here. Let's go trust MRR. I'll just take it and I'll say it's like this. Can you make design like this, of championship, of championship? Um, for remove MOM growth and add needs help with. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. That's how the design is going to be. Okay, that's how. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna write the email to my lawyer. Oh. Man, on Trust MRR, there's so many cool startups. I'm just surprised. There's like so many cool startups. Thank you for this. Thank you for telling me about this. Okay, this is how I do it. Every time I have to write in German, I just go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is really good with text. Claude is maybe not that good. Okay, Claude is also good, but I'm running out of credits there. Okay, so this is gonna be updated. This is gonna be a championship that we have. We can add everything there. And now I'm just gonna go here. I'm just gonna go to my stream, and I have to look at all my tasks. So send me Gemini documentation, fix lawyer, issue these two really important things that I wanted to sort out. Which let me send the letter, and then I'll go to. Okay, let me go and start this. I think he's gonna be mad at me, but it's okay. Okay, I'm just writing it. I hope it works. Okay, so we're done with this. We sometimes you just gotta do it, and if things won't work out, it's okay. Nah, scheiße. I just did it for the wrong one. So I have to look at my tasks which I didn't done, and I need to get that back. Done. So I've created this whole CRM actually. If you think about it, this is a whole CRM that we've created. Yeah. If I go at all my tasks, which are all and done, and then I write lawyer, bro. Also, okay, so I have another two ads. Okay. Okay, we have to see because we increased the budget, so I want to add 7 ads because then our whole experiment is going to run and we're going to see properly how everything is converting. That's what we, that's what we're going to see. Also, I want to buy a domain for this. Let's see. Okay, I think we take just 10-minute break because I need to say hi to my family. And then I'm coming back here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. We're streaming now every day. We're also gonna look at the championship. I'm super excited about this championship because we're gonna have all the applications here. What's the builder? What's the MRR? And we're just gonna take it from there. Yeah, I think this is it. We're gonna push all of this, and we're gonna see how we get successful with this. And I think I'm gonna put it on a domain today because I'm super excited about it. I think that we're gonna have for every app what do people need help in, and it's not just gonna be trust MRR like just on MRR. It's more vibe coders helping each other and what's the biggest issue, and they can join the calls, and we could just it's like a 24/7 tech support kind of thing. Yeah, and if people want more support, they could just sign up and then learn from us, from me. But yeah, so I'm not gonna end this stream. I have no intention of ending this stream. I'm gonna be back in 10 minutes, and yeah, we're gonna see how we continue further. Back in 10 minutes. Dinner break. Okay, dinner break. Having dinner. Having dinner. Back in 10 minutes, having dinner. I do not know how all of these other people do it. How do they? But yeah, let me just back in 10 minutes having dinner fast. Yes. Okay, thanks. Okay, let me look at how long have I been streaming. It's like 28. For how long have we been doing it? Almost 2 hours. Product is I think, okay, I'm getting back. Okay, I'm back in 10 minutes. Okay, let's make it 15, bro. Because then I'm coming back in 15 minutes. Back. I don't know. But I think I'm back. Okay, there's no water in here. Okay. Bro. 40 minutes. I guess I have to join a call. Okay, I have to join a call right now. Okay. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna go here, ask to join. It's excited guys. Okay, let me check. So no, okay, that was wrong. 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna build this properly. Okay, I'm just gonna add it as a task for me. I'm also gonna add this music. Oh, bro, why does this music not start? So we're just gonna play this. I think I'm gonna figure out all of the music. This. Oh, this. Yes. Oh, wow. Okay, let's send the contract. Tasks, all targets. Okay, I have to sort this out. Do we end the stream? I wanted to continue the stream, but I don't know if I can continue. Maybe I could just start again. But my goal is that I could just keep on running my streams. I don't want to stop my streams. Because at the end of the day, yeah, I just want to see my tasks. Then Gemini, this is excellent. Fixed lawyer, she replies Zanina, okay, this is all vague, has to be solved. Vague issues sorted. Send contract, okay. So I'm just gonna, vague issues sorted. Bro. Why can I not see? This. Clicked. Create task book from the tasks section. Okay, yeah, we have to do it. So this has to work. Fixed lawyer, these will do everything. Fixed lawyer issue, contact Dubai, contact all Dubai guys. Okay. Okay, the buttons are changed. The design of the button, and then the shots will be deleted. Okay, this is how it is. This is vibe coding, filming YouTube videos, reels daily. That's what's gonna change everything for me. So day 3, our plan is sort out taxes, submit document. This is it. This is it. So all of these 4 things. Yeah, that's what I'm spending the whole day trying to do. And yeah, maybe I'll need to end this stream now, and maybe I could start the stream again. How do I change the lux? I've been told that something is wrong with this. If I go here, can I change the lux? So if I go here, limit adjust. If I go in the settings, no, I can't change this. Now I'm talking about this. This thing, if I click on it. Oh, bro, I'll just do filters. Oh, no, not here. I think I need to look here. And then if I look copy, no, scale filter. I do not know how I do it actually. So I need to sort it out. I need to see why this is coming out like this. I have no idea. What is this fix right now? I'll go on my TikTok. Oof. It's not Yarmalik here, bro. Which exact product do you mean here, man? Because yeah, we're gonna validate it right now by talking to customers, and that's how you validate it. At the end of the day, you can't validate something without building. And now we're just gonna validate all these products, and then we're gonna say, mm, oh, okay, I know now what the problem was because I changed my URL completely. Mm, it's okay. That's that is what is required. Okay, 1 second. Let me see. Now I need to jump into.
Hello. Assalamualaikum. Yeah. I can hear you. Can you hear me? How are you? How was your day? ओके। अच्छा, नहीं कंप्यूटर से बात करना मुश्किल तो नहीं है? अच्छा, सही है। So, are you done with work or are you still working अभी तक? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You're just watching YouTube videos. I'm guessing that. Oh, okay. Okay, makes sense. अच्छा, अच्छा. Oh, okay. So you're making a video of talking to me on call as well. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Okay, so it's like a live thing or is it like a editable kind of like a Oh, okay. Wait, let me check. Um, oh, okay, makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm glad. Um, okay, so I don't know if you have any questions for me or anything, but I had a few questions for you that I wanted a bit of clarity on. And I was hoping that you would answer them for me. But like first, I'll give you the go. If you want to ask me something that you're really curious about or want some sort of clarity on, I'd be happy to answer. Um, so like let me know. Yeah. Actually, I just want to add to that that I was actually also wondering that you would bring this up that like, we'd meet or something because I'm a bit old school like that. I usually like think about these things like the guy is gonna, like ask to meet. Yeah, he's gonna take the lead in these kind of things. But then I was unsure because I was like, he's not asking. So like, what's the deal here? Yeah. Yeah, no, I understand that. Especially like obviously you've been abroad for quite some time and then obviously you have to be careful with the culture, the tradition and everything like that. So I understand. Yeah, I understand. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and also I was just like, so do you have any questions for me before like I go?
ahead or something? Okay, okay. So I